What's up, team? What's up, Chooch, Ethan, Damon, Emil? Hello from North Korea. Nice, bro. Nice to know North Korea is supporting you out here. Hope you guys are doing good over there. What's up, brother? All right. How's Euro JPY doing? Okay, we're getting some retracement. It's okay, no big deal. I'm gonna start marking out key levels. Yeah, let's mark out some key levels. So why do I keep clicking that button? Already your trade looks good. What's your bias? Haven't even looked at the chart. Just marking out key levels right now that I think could play a factor in today's trading. You have your daily bullish fair value gap right here, which I think might just mark that out. I'll just mark this out. I didn't take a trade yesterday. I did take one trade in the PM session. It ended up breaking even. It went up to like, I was in a long, it went up for about 1 hour and then just broke even afterwards. So you know trade Forex? I do swing trade Forex. What do you use to track your trades? I use TradeZella. It's pretty much all I'm interested in marking out. Those two levels, I think we can reach for them before continuing higher on the daily. We did leave these equal highs. So that could be an objective for not necessarily today, but definitely an objective to consider in the grand scheme of things. Um, 4 hour and 15-minute setup. I'm not sure what that means. What's up, guys? That's an SMT took the high. There is an SMT at the highs, yeah, but I'm still bullish on the grand scheme of things. But for now, I think we can trade lower. It looks like we're displacing lower towards daily volume imbalance potentially, or the daily bullish for value gap. There's a buy side imbalance. I should say. You know about Asia liquidity sweep? What about Asia liquidity sweep? We could target these highs later and then maybe up here another day. If I'm bearish, we show up weekly high. Sure, but it's okay to be bearish for that reason. ULP to say hi. I'm long. Nice, bro. Hopefully, as long as you guys have a plan, stick to it. I think that's good. What was your boss on today, bro? And can you show us why? My bias. I'm gonna be looking for lower prices. I think price will seek some sort of discount array to then continue higher. So yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. Simple as that, really. No need to go make it any more complicated than that. I think we can go lower and then higher. There's a strategy that happens every morning called the Asia Sweep. I'm very happy with my strategy, brother. I'm not really looking to get into all that. Happy with my strategy. So we'll just mark out the volume imbalance with these lines. And I don't have to even label it. We'll just let's open up. Yeah, so we'll stay on the 15-minute chart here. And we'll see. We do have equal highs at Asia we can target later on. We got Trump speaking at 11, but hopefully we should be in it now before. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping as well. But hopefully the market gives us something that's actually tradable. There's a strategy. Yeah, we're talking about that. Do you trade gold? Sometimes. Every time I'm on Live Talk Live about trading, my account gets banned. Why? I don't know, bro. Maybe you were saying specific things that you're not supposed to be saying. Maybe you don't have a disclaimer saying that this is not financial advice. I don't take any steps really, bro. I just in my in my live description it says not financial advice. And that's it. I'm still long on euro. I've reduced my SL. I'm almost to break even at this point. These are the chart settings. I don't speak that language, Luis. I'm more interested in the daily Bissy Wang J. I am on YouTube, yeah. GatieTrades on YouTube. So Euro JPY for longs. I was also looking at JBP JPY. I wanted to see the change in the state on the daily, but we didn't get that. We did touch the weekly fair value gap, so that's why I'm a little bit hesitant on my Euro JPY trade because we touched the weekly fair value gap on JBP. You know, if that makes sense. So I feel like JBP might lead shorts here, and my stop isn't here anymore. My stop is like here or something. So if we get stopped, it doesn't make a difference in the grand scheme of things, but that's what I was thinking about, like Euro JPY. So basically, if my trade fails, it's actually going to be a pretty good short because there's a nice weekly fair value gap that just got touched. I'll probably wait for some confirmation lower. And hopefully, we can get a higher high though at least, and then we'll see how it goes. An accordion? Yeah, I'm here, bro. Trust me, I see. It's awful. You live in VA? Nope. Um, yo, listen. We're doing a giveaway. If you guys want a chance to win a Forex account, doing a giveaway. It's on my Instagram. You can find my Instagram in my bio or click the link to my Discord. It's there too. But if you guys want a chance to win a 10K Forex account, it's pretty, just 5 seconds. You can enter the giveaway. You just have to do like 2-3 steps. I usually trade higher time frame Forex, yeah. Is it safe to trade before Trump speaks? My only experience with that, all honesty, is the one time Biden was speaking. Actually, I think it was twice. Pretty much same thing happened. It was pretty volatile and range bound. I don't know if that's like a consistent thing to expect. I haven't really gotten much experience with days like that before. So I guess realistically, the safest thing to do is just not touch. I'm not in a trade right now, no. Odd USD. Haven't checked in a while. I don't like to check other pairs while I'm in a trade too often, but yeah, I mean, we swept this. Oh, didn't I take this short? For sure, I took this short. but I didn't hold it all the way down here. I held it to like here. But yeah, looks like we took the final sell side, and we're expanding, man. Looks like we're expanding. We got the daily change in the state. Yeah, I'll look for a trade today, but we'll see. Like, I'll definitely be cautious if I see like Trump doing something and it's like, thing like this. I just call it there. Not gonna look to force anything. Our top step accounts. We'll see when they rebuild. This is what I think. Yeah, I predicted for now, in my opinion. But eventually, those equal highs will get ran. It's all about narrative when it comes to things like that. How low you think? At least a yellow line. NZD USD. Ooh, I haven't checked that pair in a while. I mean, those lows, man. Yeah, no, we're definitely taking out these lows. Too clean. Too clean. I don't see how I can get in on a trade like this. Maybe if we took out the buy stops and then broke down, I could look for a short. Buys for today. Primarily, I think we're gonna go lower. I do think we can reverse off of this, but that's a lot of range for one day. Buys for today. My intraday bias right now is lower. I think we can trade lower. I think this New York session can trade lower. Or it's gonna be sideways. And very sideways, like this. So those are my two ideas right now. Either super sideways or I'm on the 15-minute time frame right now. It's either going to be super sideways or I think it'll go lower. I doubt it will expand before Trump speaks. I'd be pretty amazed. Long towards the best. They're all not bad. January and your summer months. So July and August and January are probably your worst. Everything else should be pretty good. Just from my experience of 4 years back test. Also, ICT says the same thing. Is it not a good idea to take a trade before speech? Like I said, man, I've only ever had 2 days of experience. Both times there was volatility and stuck in a range, pretty much. So range bound, but very volatile. Well, honestly, one of them wasn't really that volatile, but the other one was. So you do you. That's all the information I have for you. I've only ever seen it twice. I don't have many days back. I probably backtested days without realizing that was the economic event for that day, but take a trade, bro. I want to copy paste. You do you, man. I'm not giving out here any advice. I'll just be following my model, hopefully. What's up, Tavi? I just think we can trade lower. Daily fair value gap, old new day opening gap. You don't see it on Top Step X? Oh, weird. Did Top Step X book? Hey, that is weird. Friday's high and Wednesday's low? Why does it have a wick? Oh, you know what it is? You know what it is, Great Lakes? It's because, so on the 20th, it was a technically no trading day. It was an early close. So what happened was, see, TradingView booked it as the same day as Tuesday. While, well, by the way, there's still, oh no, there is no gap. But, and then what happened was Top Step X gave it its own day. So technically there's no January 20th on the TradingView chart. I'd probably refer to the trading view chart. Expect there to be a daily BISI. So what you can do is just mark out previous day low. You know, it doesn't have to be too complicated. Just mark out previous day low. But basically that's what happened. I'm talking about US 30. Super nice guy. I'm on Express Top Step X. Nice, bro. What do you think about Top Step X and their rules? I think Top Step X probably has the best rules. I mean, maybe my fund in future is better. Does that make sense? Great Lakes. Cool. But yeah, I mean, price is expanding lower. In my opinion, it looks like it's going to reach the daily volume imbalance. The daily volume imbalance high. The daily volume imbalance low. And then we also have the daily bullish fair value gap lower. I think we're going to reach there before moving higher. So I'll try to align myself with that bias. But another idea is we are going to stay in a range. So for example, we take out sell side here and London lows and then move higher. That's also an idea. If we're going to be stuck in a range, we might not expand this low. If we look at the daily range thus far, it's only been 200 points. So it definitely has room to go higher. Yesterday was pretty good. What's up, Koala? Anti-analyze gold and bearish. Is it right? Maybe right now. No, I'm bullish on gold. I wouldn't fade this daily fair value gap. I would look to try and align with it. Maybe wait for an hourly inversion or something on the grand scheme of things. Like, if we got something like this, yeah, like I could work with something like that. All-time highs. That's my opinion. Like, this could make a move lower. That's not what I'm saying that it can't do. It could make a move lower. My attention would be over here. But what I'm saying, for me personally, if I was going to trade gold, I would wait for longs. I wouldn't look for any. I would wait for it to show me longs. That's what I'm trying to say. Because I think the higher time frame objective is the bullish. Gold futures doesn't have an hourly. No, it's right there, man. Oh, on the daily? Yeah, that's weird. It's fine. Same idea, though. We're still expanding from the monthly. So just look at it as previous day's low. Just look at it as previous day's low. It's a big discrepancy, man. That's awful. That's awful. That's awful. All right, we're at New York Open, so I'm going to try and focus up here. I want to see, hopefully, a move higher first, giving me opportunity to short. But if not, then I'm leaning towards London low and potentially these three levels. I would take a short into the daily imbalance, yeah. I would still need to see some buy side get taken. But I would take a short into the daily imbalance. Let me quickly sign into my accounts. It's a good question, bro. If I have one model that allows me to trade that manipulation leg, it's my classic model. So if it forms in my direction, I can trade, yeah, no problem. I will need to see a rate on buy side though, some level. How much percentage do you aim per trade? Hard to say. I usually risk 200 per trade if I'm on a funded account. Yeah, I like gold longs. I want to look for lower prices. I think lower or sideways. On a 50K account, I personally risk $200 per trade. On a 50K account. I wouldn't look for a long unless... The only reason I would look for a long from London lows is if I'm expecting it to stay in a range. So say like this, I would expect it to necessarily just play in this range. In which case a long is not bad. How many micros is that? Depends where your stop loss is, bro. Where did you get your funded account and how did they work? Usually I'm with Top Step, but currently I'm not funded with Top Step. We lost the last accounts. Right now I am funded with Apex. I have not lost that account. but I'm working on my top step evals right now. I used to have a my funded futures account, but I can't possibly trade all those at the same time right now. $50K low contracts though. I'm not sure what you're trying to say, but yeah, 200 risks. That's it. So long model for me today would be a seek and destroy. If I'm gonna take a longs, I'd look for seek and destroy. I'd prefer taking a short. Say we come up, take out buy side. I can short to London lows as low hanging fruit, and then best case scenario, we expand lower into that big imbalance on the daily. That's kind of what I'm looking for right now. So minimum London lows, maximum these 3 levels ish. Okay, I mean, we took out some level of buy side, sell side, buy side. I don't know how I'm gonna find a trade that will work against it, but if we get a bearish fair value gap here, I don't see how it's gonna give us an entry. Maybe we touched a 5-minute bearish. Yeah, we did, but too tight of a range. Are you still bullish? On the grand scheme of things, yes, but right now, intraday, I'm looking for lower prices. I think we'll go higher from the daily bullish fair value gap eventually. So I'll resume my bullish bias for like those higher prices once we get in there. Hello from Thailand. What's up, brother? Okay, this is good. If we leave these equal lows, what you eating? I made a egg and sausage wrap. I wouldn't want to see it go too high. Why do I keep clicking this button? Cheating me. Okay, there's buy side. I would really like if we didn't go much higher and we actually stayed in the lower half of this imbalance now. So if we can stay in the lower half of this imbalance, that'd be a really good sign that we can short this. It might seek more buy stops, which is okay. Got the change in the state from London lows. We did get an SMT like this. On the rejection block of body. ES touched it. I like this potential short idea, but for me to get a short here, I can see a bearish fair value gap now. There is a busy on the daily. Wait, not on MNQ. Literally just on NQH. Weird. It's only on NQH. Well, regardless, we can still aim for the volume imbalance, which I believe is there on all assets. So either way, I'm gonna look for lower. I would want to see a bearish fair value gap leaving this fair value gap. And I can short that, and it would look something, let's say like this. I'd probably partial there and then leave the rest. Partial to break even at London lows and then leave the rest. Nice, Jagdeep. That's great, bro. What's up, Mubashir? We swept that. We took out this high right here. I want to see a bearish fair value gap. Two contracts with 50K. It depends on the risk. Like, so this trade would be 5 contracts, for example. If we get a bearish fair value gap right here, I'll short 5 contracts. And like I said, I'd partial here. I'd have to partial, I guess 3. We didn't get a fair value gap, so no trade. Explain the setup. Double purge, sell side, buy side, expecting another leg lower. There's your buy side, respected this imbalance, reclaimed it bearish. I mean, it's always been bearish, but no fair value gap, so I'm not going to take it. We did just put in another SMT. If this becomes an order block, we can short this as an order block. So like this. We already moved higher on ES. I prefer seeing NASDAQ just come down. Can we just raid that buy side? Yeah, we can also take out this high. ES already did, or ES is about to, so I wouldn't want to see NASDAQ, to be honest. Long on an M5 inversion. Yeah, man, I hope it plays out if you want. It's possible, yeah. I think we can possibly take out this buy side. A bearish breaker would be nice. This would be a really solid bearish breaker too. It just, when it's nice like bodies like that, it's a really good sign. Isn't it too choppy? No, not for me. Not right now. We have a good idea here. Stick to our rules and everything will work out. Yeah, I'm just waiting. And in fact, I guess this wouldn't really be the classic model. I was gonna say I can just take the inversion. I don't even have to wait for the breaker. Yeah, I mean it's a classic model still. Yeah, we don't have to go all the way there. We can, but I'd rather it not. I'd rather just this keep the SMT. That would be a very good sign of bearish order flow. If we just keep that SMT. And if we inverse this, I will short. Because I won't even take it as a 930 reversal. I'll just take it as a classic model. Yeah, I'll be trading the micro. If I take a trade, it'll be on the micro. Like I said, I would just take the inversion. That'd be a 7 micro trade. Call it 6. In case we get slipped or something. I want to see a nice pass through though. Needs to be like a solid pass through. Didn't close below. Not breaking rules today. So I'll wait for one more candle. We're gonna get a bad slip now. But I don't want to break rules. It has to be the inversion or the CISD. More important than the money is the rules. I was gonna short that, honestly. I was about to short that, but I'm gonna short it as soon as it closes. It'll have to be we did not inverse. We wait. That's it. We just simply wait. If we have to wait for the breaker, we can wait for the breaker. CSD refers to a change in the state of delivery, right? Yeah, exactly. So if we can get below here, this is buy side delivery. This is your highest point. Swept buy side. So if we're gonna move lower, go back to this where that move started. Where did the buy side move start? It started right there at the opening price. This is why. This is your change in the state of delivery. If we can get below this opening price, we basically undid the buy side move and we're now in sell side. Yeah, I'm bearish on NZD. I think we'll take those lows too. What's up, Pablo? If we take out this high and then inverse, I'll also take that short. I don't want to see this taken yet, but we'll see. You don't like what, brother? 934? I don't see it. Oh, ES? Yeah. That's a good target. First presentation on ES already formed. Yeah, I mean, no signs of bearish order flow yet. Still bullish. If we got a single pass down now, again, I would also short that. But if this doesn't happen now, yeah, we'll probably have to zoom out a bit. Look to I was gonna say rejoice, but that's not that's not the word. Should be a 5 contract, call it 6. So I want to see, do we have the displacement necessary? We put in a smaller time frame SMT here. Got on the paper now. Me too, bro. Me too. Not breaking no more rules. It needs to close below here, and I'll short at 6. You entered on accident? That's okay, Toxic. Just close it. Pretend it didn't happen. If it was an accident, it was an accident, bro. Just close it. Pretend it didn't happen and continue. Don't let an accident ruin your rules. Yeah. And ES did take out the major buy side level. So I really do like these shorts. If we get this close, yeah, I'll be shorting 6. And we'll probably up the size on top step X because I'm not going to be risking 200 and it's going to take forever to pass. So if this closes bearish, I will be entering this short. You didn't take this long? What do you think, bro? What do you think? Take a guess. I might be going on ticks again. Gotta close below, man. It's gotta close below, otherwise. Yeah, no close below. It's not my model. There's no model longs here. Nothing here. No CSG, no inversion, no breaker, no microstructure shift, no bearish fair value gap. No, I'm not on the 1 minute. Like, there's nothing. If this candle can close below, I'll still take it. ES and Q might want to take out the buy side then. He'll take it. Laughy emoji, laughy emoji. I know you're not laughing, bro. Why are you playing laughy emoji? ES did take Asia high, yeah, so I'd expect it to go lower now if it's gonna go lower. Very uneventful. I'll give the macro a chance. If it doesn't form inside the macro, then I'd probably expect it to just fizzle out. And now I won't just take the inversion, I'll have to wait for a break or a CISD. No, I think that Asia highs will get taken eventually. I just don't think it'll happen now. I would expect it to move lower first, but who knows? Like on the grand scheme of things, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I think we can take out these equal highs on the daily, and I think ES can take all-time highs. But intraday right now, not too interested in longs. Not when we have a huge imbalance below. All right. So looks like we're gonna take out the buy stops. Oh, I should have implemented that way sooner. When the yellow line's like that, it's way better. Okay. So our final kind of idea is we take the buy stops and then get. Do you see the case to be bullish? I think if it was gonna expand, it would be like a manual intervention expansion where they just keep sending prices higher just because Trump is speaking and they want it to look good. That's the only way I can expect it. I don't see how we could expand this much lower and engineer London low and then not run on it, and also leaving the daily busy open. It makes sense to induce shorts before running those equal highs on the daily. But yeah, and hypothetically, we are going to expand at some point, right? This Asia high is not going to hold, in my opinion. This is my opinion. These equal highs, they're not going to stand. So your highest probability setups is true. You'll just sit there and wait for your longs. For me, I'm talking about me. Like obviously, the highest probability trade will sit there and wait for longs to align. But in my opinion, they're not aligned right now. Like we got to take sell side out, right? No raid below 930, like no clean one at least. I need to take out lows, but I'd rather see the high get taken. But if not, it doesn't matter. There's a double purge. Yeah, sell side, buy side. Look at all this liquidity we engineered. Man, I feel like it can slice right through. Equal lows, induce longs here. I'll take it even if we don't take out the buy side, but because it is SMT and there's SMT here as well. But we'll see. It honestly, listen, it is very slow, very weak. I'll have to wait for a breaker if I'm gonna short this. Yeah, I'll wait for the breaker. And this would be your breaker. For simplicity's sake, let's just mark the lowest candle. Let's actually mark it all. I will leave it out for now. We'll mark it out later. It's edging so hard, bro. I've been scanned by your copy trading service. I don't run any copy trading services. That was somebody else. Listen, if you want to follow rules, toxic, If you want to follow rules, if you make a mistake and enter a trade, you close that fucking trade. You just close it. No reason to hold that trade. If you close below, I'll take it. If not, again, same thing. Same thing. I'm not even going to look at the markets when Trump speak. I don't want to find out. It can be very, very volatile and aggressive. Your setup can form, but you'll get stopped out just because of the volatility. I don't want to force this short, but if we get the breaker, yeah, if we get the breaker, I'm gonna put my limit there. Actually, I'll probably put it on the. Yeah, I'll take it on the breaker. It's not too big of a difference, but we have to display slower. Yeah, I've never scammed. I don't scam anything, bro. Why would I offer copy trading services? Just think about it, bro. How could you get scammed? I literally live stream every day. What copy trading services, bro? I'm literally live every day. No trade. Gold and this right now going up. Let's see for months. Why? Gold is really bullish. Like, bro, honestly, if you got scammed by me, bro, I feel like you just deserve to get scammed, bro. I don't know. Like, I usually do, Ibrahim. Yeah, I do. Yeah, man. There's no trade here, guys. It's fucking going sideways. There's literally nothing happening. I'm not gonna break any rules. It's not the very most exciting markets. It's really just not there, you know? I don't want to force it. I don't want to take a bad trade that's low probability of playing out. I have an idea. I think we can go lower. Yeah, toxic. Remember, the goal isn't to make money. So as soon as you make a mistake, just close it. Just close it. This looks like it's gonna dump, but I don't know how I'd get in on this move. It's so uneventful the way it formed. Well, fair value gap there. That's crazy, bro. Just one of those ones, you know. It just kind of goes right when you low hanging fruit is London lows. Below, I have these levels. Can you get there? Hard to say. I'll have my limit order here, but I mean, chances of me getting filled are pretty slim. But I'll leave it. We're not getting no fill, bro. I'll take the 3 minute though, if it gives us a chance. My lines are straight, bro. This micro Nasdaq, the MNQ chart. I wouldn't be surprised if it just boop right away, you know. But I'm not gonna change my limit. That's a terrible entry. Ugh. I'm gonna leave my order. Oh, you know what? It's not gonna touch us. I don't think it's gonna touch us. I don't think it's gonna touch us. I don't think it's gonna touch us because we got the immediate rebalance on the 2 minute. Actually, we left it open ever slightly. Ever so slightly. The thing is, I don't like it coming back up here now. I don't like it coming back up here now. I'm gonna wait, see if it wicks, and then sell short. Canceled my order there. It shouldn't come back up there, so I'm gonna wait and see if it wicks. Let's say this inversion, and then we'll see. I don't like it coming back up there. The reason I say that because if it was bearish, this candle wouldn't have come back up. It would have stayed right here, and it would have left this open. So I'm cautious. Now I'll short if it wicks, and it'll still be a good fill. I'll wait for the close. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet for me. Because ES inversed. Yeah, I don't care about the losses. Just follow rules. Yeah, it doesn't look eventful. I was looking for shorts, but not looking eventful at all. I'm looking at the 15-second and the 30-second as well. I was looking for shorts. I'm glad we avoided that loss. Well, it wouldn't have been a loss just yet. Oh, what's up, Azad, bro? I saw your live the other day. If we get a nice close here, I'm gonna short it. That did not inverse on the 15-second. All right, as it ticks up, I'm gonna short this. Next like 3 seconds. If it ticks up, I'm gonna short it. Short it right there. Oh, I didn't get the fill I wanted, but it is what it is. Oh shit, I forgot to short it here. My stop's going here. So I'm using my PDCT entry model. I'd want to see this aggressively close below the lows. So our original stop was here, never got hit. I waited for a 15-second inversion, and we should spool to London lows now. We should seek sell stops. We should reprice with some sell stops. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so we entered shorts off the retracement, 15-second inversion. My stop loss is the 15-second breaker high. I want to see bearish order flow. I think we should seek some sell side. I think we should seek some sell stops. We did create a fair value gap here. I'm interested in partials at London low. And really, my stop should be. Let's get right where it is. Make sure you draw the FEG correctly. By the way, ES tapped into the fair value gap, so. So it's out of our control now, right? It's pretty much what happens, happens. I want to see a move below. I'd be very surprised if we don't at least take out this low. If we don't take out this low on this run, I'm highly expecting seek and destroy. Because order flow definitely shifted bearish. We should seek some sell stops. I like where my stop loss is. Because if it hits my stop loss, it's likely to form a bullish breaker, which we really should not be doing right now. So I'd want to see a nice wick lower after touching that fair value gap. Told you we bearish. I mean, let's see, bro. I'm in a short. You're in the same trade. Nice, bro. Let's see if we have the right idea. Well, the imbalance is actually like this. Oh, you're good, bro. I took this on my funded as well as 2 evaluation accounts. Just consequent encroachment there. I spent too much time in this fair value gap. But again, like I said, I do like where my stop loss is. Are you profitable? Only some months. I hate those told you guys. Yeah. They come out of nowhere. That is what it is. I like how Yes is looking. How do you enter on more than one account? You just got to sync them together. Part of me wants to partial here to break even the position. I'm just confused on how much I'd be partialing. I'll have to do the calculation manually. So my stop is 17 points. 17 times 2 is 34. 34 times 6. That's a hard one. 34 times 6 is a tough one. $204. The risk is 204. See, I take off half. 31.25 times 2 times 3. That'll for sure cover. Yeah, that'll for sure cover. So I'll look to take off half. Why do a 6 contract? Because it's close to $200 risk. 2.8. Yeah, it could be seek and destroy. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna look to take a partial because it could be a seek and destroy condition, and the market just is never really going anywhere, you know, and that's okay. Large candle with no opening, with no low, just expansion immediately, touching the high of the imbalance there. That's a crazy wick. If we undo that wick, I'd be very surprised. I'm thinking about bringing my stop to that wick. It really shouldn't go to that wick again after going that crazy, right? I'm gonna put my stop here. How do I sync the account? Depends what platform you're trading with, brother. Yeah, so trading all the way through that city. I don't want to see it touch that city. I also like the fact that it didn't even touch the rejection block. To me, that's a good sign. Wild delivery, man. Just doesn't want to take out any sell side. Yeah, not the best macro. I mean, definitely starting to consider that this is seek and destroy condition. You know, we're not really going anywhere. The setup is there. Nothing's really happening. So if we take this low, I'm gonna break even. It might come up higher before taking out the equal lows, but we'll leave the setup in play because even if it is seek and destroy model, still no rule breaks. So I'm gonna break even if we take these lows, and then I'll leave it for London lows. But definitely, yeah, looking to break even if we do get a bullish fair value gap there on ES. Terrible price action, yeah. Part of me just wants to get out now while I still can. The trade's not invalidated though, it's just sloppy. This candle might expand. Just looking at ES here from the bullish fair value gap. There is a higher time frame PD rate. Look at the 4 hour, the 1 hour. It's all there. Look at ES taking out Asia highs. Damn, this is awful. Yeah, this is awful. So yeah, I mean this is conditions when Trump speaks, right? Conditions when Trump speaks for sure. Body's respecting. I wouldn't read too much into it, bro. Yeah, and we're out. Let's see if it would have hit the original stop loss, which was over here. But I wouldn't go back and change myself. You're planning for a next trade. Let's get stuff. No, I don't think I'm gonna touch this market, bro. I don't think I'm gonna touch this market again. You know, I think you just found out, and that's it. You know, any other day, I think that trade plays out. I don't think I'm gonna touch this again. I shorted right here. That was my trade. We didn't reject off anything, bro. We've been in the same range for the since the first 20 minutes. How long you are on eval account? What, I don't understand your question. How long have I been on them? How long have I been on these ones? How was the win streak? You mean the loss streak? What's an eval? Eval's like before the funded account. You gotta pass the eval. Better than better than I, especially because Trump's gonna talk. I'm in both. I'm on funded as eval right now. I'm trading both right now. It would have hit our original stop, so is that an 8-day losing streak? I think it's like 3, 1 win, and then 5. So yeah. You have 8 days to pass. I don't know what prop firm you're trading with, bro, but no. It's not 8 days to pass. I have 150K funded right now. How do I sync the accounts? Brother, it depends what platform you're trading with. With Tradeovate, you can use a Tradeovate copier itself if you're on the same platform. If you have multiple prop firms, you got to get a like third-party trade copier. You can use Replicanto. Um, what do you think about the funding pivot? They come up with no evaluation straight to fund. There's a bunch of they didn't come up with that, bro. There's a bunch of prop firms that do that. If you got the money, yeah, sure, why not, bro? But to me, it doesn't make sense. Why risk it? Just pass the account. You know, if you can get a payout, you can pass an eval. So took myself out of the trade early, right before the move happened. Nice, bro. Yeah, nice. Yeah, just not what you want to see. We did hit the rejection block here, so seek and destroy for sure. Staying sideways. I won't be taking another trade today. That's for sure. What is funny that you know that have no evaluation? Funded by traders does it. I'd like to do just one trade on evals. I was very close to being tapped out twice. But if you're still in the shorts, I don't know, man. I mean, maybe. You're in longs. Good luck, bro. My TP was right there previous low and it came so close to hitting. Yeah, that be seek and destroy. It do be like that. Doobie 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 doo. It doobie doobie doo. Doobie doo like that. It do be like that. How's uh how's the other trades doing? Not bad. Nvidia's down, AMD's down, but not down enough to buy more. Disney's up. Apple's up. Weird. Yeah, we'll just sit here and watch. I mean, I'll look to outline another trade idea, but I probably won't take anything else. I don't want to touch this market after seeing that. We're getting distorted. Yeah, I think we're getting distorted till after Trump speaks, bro. Like it's one of those. Still believe in the shorts after. I believe in the shorts 100%. I don't. I think that the probabilities of finding a good setup where this sloppy price action won't get you out is unlikely. So I'm not gonna look for it again. You've been trading for a year. Like I started learning 16 months ago, but I've only been trading for 13 months. Can you explain seek and destroy? Pretty much like this. Price continuously engineers liquidity on the highs and lows. A lot of wicks, lack of imbalances, stuck in a range. Trump is speaking at 12. So in 1 hour 45 minutes. I use Top Step and I use Apex. Actually, he speaks at 11. Sorry, he speaks at 11. So he speaks in 45 minutes. It was a great trade. It wasn't a bad trade. Just the idea. The idea was good, but just the wrong day to take this trade, you know? You just got to kind of let this one go, knowing that Trump speaks at 11. But next time we know. This is the third time this has happened. This is the third time this has happened when the president's speaking later on. So I think we'll definitely just add that to my rules where if president's speaking in the session later on, just don't trade. It's not worth it. Man, look at this. It's not worth it. Trade London or something, but not anywhere near New York kill zone. What country is this? What? What type of what's the question, bro? So I'll definitely add that to my rules. Yeah, we're just accumulating, and we'll probably run all this sell side, in my opinion, when Trump starts to speak, or just before. Either way, we'll just watch it. Please answer me. Do you know firm fund with no limit time? Funded by traders. Bulbasaur, Charmander, or Squirtle? I feel like I have to pick one. Like what for what? Like real life companion? Good shit, Soko. That's great, bro. Proud of you, man. Man, New York EM has been pretty annoying recently, yeah. Like this is every single session is like looks like fucking Asia. What is seek and destroy? I've not heard of it. Seek and destroy is the market condition where it continuously runs buy stops and sell stops, or it accumulates in a range. So yeah, I'll stay till 11. I'm chilling. Not much to do. See how we just like almost took this low and didn't? Like, you know what? In hindsight, we could have just broke even on this candle. Maybe. Um, Like could have. I mean, we did reduce the stop loss, so it's fine. Yeah, minus 130. It's not bad. I think you might have been those Wall Street Jews. Bro, I don't think this is going anywhere. I don't think it's not having. It hasn't run any liquidity yet. By the way, you don't think lemon session did the low and now we retraced back to the 15-minute FED and 30-minute? No, I don't think so personally. But that's just me. It's okay if you think that. Trust yourself, you know. I already opened a long in gold, 1 out of 10 proportion. Nice, bro. Good luck. How do I save the chart embed link? Click take a snapshot. Copy image or copy link. Exactly, Andrew. Or you'll see it like this. This is one way it can form. The other way it can form is it continuously runs the highs like this. Sell side, buy side, sell side, buy side. But in this case, it also can just set equal lows. It's basically just a ranging market where you think it's going to continue lower because you see everything. But, you know, what if I told you price is going to stay inside like this box? Well, then obviously you wouldn't be shorting here because, you know, that's kind of the idea. Take care, Donald. Take care, brother. I got in on the FEG. Good luck, bro. ES calls? I don't know. Would you trade him? I have one model for Seek and Destroy. But honestly, I just stop. I just stop trading Seek and Destroy. I think it's bet. Yo, PayPal I think has so much potential, bro. But I don't own any personally. It's just too expensive for me right now. But I think long term has good potential. Top firm. I use TopStep, Apex, and my funded futures and funded by traders. You didn't miss much. We pretty much got chopped out. Exactly. Just like ranging market. Like just think about this. Like we've been inside this range for 30 minutes. We've been, guys, 53-point range for an hour and 12 minutes. We've been stuck in 50 points. That's a red flag, guys. That's a serious red flag. I like that, bro. Yeah, I'm looking to do that with AMD and NVIDIA. We can still try to outline some things here. For example, we do have a civvy here. Yeah, but I'm trying to think, guys. If I like listen, it's all about, bro. Am I gonna watch the Raptors? Of course, I'm gonna watch the Raptors Hawks, bro. What type of question is that? Did the Hawks beat Detroit last night? I'm curious. Yo, Chooch, are you in oh, Atlanta lost? Do you know where I can do my ratio for crypto and stock investments? You can do it all on Google, brother. I think we get good PA afternoon, possibly afternoon better, yeah. I got on the FEG. Should I hold on? Bro, you took the trade, and literally 5 seconds later, you're gonna ask me if you should stay on the trade. I think if you have to ask, brother, you should probably close. No, I'm not gonna sit here till after Trump speaks, man. It's too much time. I am Pratesh. Yeah, I already kind of stocked up on AMD. I own 15 shares AMD, or is it 10? I think it's 10 actually. I bought 5 shares Nvidia. I also bought 5 shares Apple, and I also recently bought, I think it was 5 shares Disney. Yeah, AMD is kind of my big one, I think, though, for this year. I'll enter short in 5 seconds. Should I hold? Well, like, how long did it take for you to be profitable? I don't know, man. I honestly have been struggling these last couple months, so I don't know. For crypto and stocks, I don't do crypto anymore. Explain what's like 5 stocks. I was bearish too. I'm not anything. My bias is this. Okay, people keep asking me what's my bias. Guys, this is my bias. Guys, look, this is the bias. Just do this. That's the bias. For stocks, I use interactive brokers. For crypto, I use Coinbase, but I don't really like crypto anymore. Break even? Nope, it was a trailed stop. So reduced stop, not a full loss, but still a loss. New model, snake model. Are you dancing? The fact we didn't dump is crazy. In my opinion, too, like, even though Trump is speaking, come on, those lows are clean. We had inducement, the S&T. It was nice. It was a nice move. It was a nice setup, very nice setup. Why January PA so trash? You think AMD can go lower? Yeah, I think it can go lower. I hope it does. Check out Roku in the long term. Bro, I bought Roku. Oh, Roku's on my ban list, bro, for stocks. I had Roku at $53. I was holding that shit for so long. So long, bro, like 4 months. I held that shit for 4 months. And I sold it. I was like, you know what? 64. You can use it on your phone, dude, but yeah. But not with TradingView. I think Questrade's too expensive, bro. The commissions are too expensive. This month has been very bad for you, bro. Yeah, it has. Took the exact same trade, stop, break even. At least you got out break even, bro. Nice. It was close to all-time high, but down crazy. That should be neutral. How long do you normally hold your stock? Kind of depends. Not too long. I'm not too greedy with it because it is live money. Just kind of wait for some new highs. I think Questrade Prince, it's not a bad platform. I would just use interactive brokers though, because interactive brokers has the cheapest commissions, like transaction fees per trade. So just save yourself the extra dollars, bro. Like I think my dad uses Questrade. I think they charge him like $5. I won't trade today. Maybe in PM session. I feel like it's been a bad month for a lot of traders. Maybe, yeah. Maybe, yeah. I'm focused on me. You're in a full family of trade. No, no, no. My dad just buys the stocks that I tell him to buy. He doesn't trade. Who's your favorite basketball player right now? To watch? Yeah, I took one loss on this short. Small loss, reduced loss. Interactive brokers. Yeah, they have the cheapest commission. So, it's not financial advice, but I really do like that platform. How much you risk for a trade? But I hate watching LaMelo, and everyone already knows why. But he's interesting. He is fun when it hypes up. But I had a question in the group. All my consultation execute the trend change lower risk execute only counts for the stop loss and TP. You have to do it off TradingView. I risk $200 per trade. Either shoot it, bro. Bro, you know what's funny? No, I don't hate LaMelo, but like I hate watching him. Let me tell you guys why, bro. Like imagine you took basketball like super serious, bro, and then you just watch that. Like it kind of cheeses you, you know? Like it's kind of just cheeses you a little bit. Like you can't help it but be at least a little bit cheese. Why PA so goofy? Trump speaking at 11. How do you take partials on TradingView? You just gotta set buy and sell limits. Bro, why is your YouTube handle? My YouTube handle is GatieTrades. Look at the 3-minute FEG. Nah, I'm not looking at anything. I'm not looking for any trades. I'm expecting it to stay sideways. Central time. He's speaking in 30 minutes, guys. You need to trade on TradeAway for the grouping to work. Yes, you probably got wiped by Chino Hills in high school. I wish I were wiped by Chino Hills in high school. Sideways till when? Probably till 11. Then it'll be very volatile. I'm on 250K evals and 150K funded right now. We might have to get some new evals. We don't have too much drawdown left in the eval, so I'll probably risk it in one trade. To be honest, I've hardly seen a more disciplined trader than you. Appreciate you, bro. You know, I've been through many losses already, so it's easy. It's easier for me. Yeah, I would take it out break even, bro. I would. Even if it runs without you, are you really gonna be like, oh, I missed it? No, fuck. Nah, bro, come on. Don't be that guy. It's sideways. It might dump. don't think it's worth the risk. Only thing I could have done better is taking it out when I told myself I was gonna take it out. Well, if anything, I would long it. Like seek and destroy, whatever you're gonna do, just do the opposite, bro. You see a bearish fair value gap, just fucking long it, bro. Trust, it'll get inversed. Look at all the inversions. Not a single fair value gap played out. Trump in 30 as well. You will get profitable. Thank you, bro. I mean, I've already had 3 payouts. I've had some profitable months. Just been difficult for me recently. I don't know shit about trading using Tradeovate. Exact same thing. Just what you can do, Dragon, and this is what I do. I do all my analysis on TradingView, but when it's time to push the button, just switch screens, click the button, and that's it. You don't even need to do anything fancy. I appreciate you, Mateus. Is this your full time? Or doing this on the side with trying to get more profit? I do it every day, but I don't make full-time income from it. Yeah, you just watch a few videos about Tradeovate. You're gonna trade PM? Maybe, yeah. Why switch to Tradeovate to execute? If you want to copy trade multiple Tradeovate accounts, you have to place the trade on Tradeovate. You can't do that on something else. Yeah, Raja knows what's up, bro. That is true. Raja knows. Raja, I appreciate you for saying that because I'm not the type of person to blame it on anything. Like, I don't want to blame the difficult months coming up, but I mean, I don't think it's a coincidence that in August I was doing amazing. No, early September was pretty good, and then as we got closer to election, it just got harder and harder for me, you know. And the PA was hard. A lot of my losses were in markets like this. So obviously, what I did was I implemented a model to better suit this. But I'm starting to think that we should probably just try to avoid this, man. If it's seek and destroy, I might just stop trading. It's not worth it, you know? It's just not worth it. It's better for me. Take less trades. Take a lot of stress off the mind. You know, less trades in the week. Trade some Forex. Look for swing trades on days like this. Like, or just come back in the PM. Like, we just gotta set some rules where, like, um, if we expect like some potential price action like this, I think that's just to avoid it, man. You know, it definitely depends on the month. It's a perfect example. You know, I don't know who that is. There was a nice on you. January is full of AMD. We're rejecting off. Listen, prices respecting premium and discount. There's no order flow right now. It's just neutral. It's just neutral order flow. Exactly. Same model, bro. 930 PO3 is what I look for intraday. For Forex, I look for weekly PO3. So the Euro JPY trade that I entered, we can do a quick trade recap on the swing trade I took. It was just simply weekly power of 3. I said that I think this might be the weekly low. Yes, it's Monday, which is rare, but we also got the manipulation on Monday into that weekly fair value gap. How did I enter the trade? Whoa. How did I enter the trade? It was the 4-hour fair value, like this 4-hour fair value gap. And I think it could be a potential bottom because we've already been pretty bullish. Like this is just a continuation idea. So I think these highs should be no problem. Hopefully. That was the idea. I'm aiming for these equal highs personally. They're not equal on this, but on fx.com they're equal. So just weekly power of 3, same idea, right? Protected low, expand, so on and so forth. Forex intraday. Haven't really looked at it, to be honest, bro. Too much. I also don't want to overdo it. Like, I don't want to keep looking at different. I don't want to keep looking at like every single. Like, I could find a trade every single day, and I don't like that. I don't think that's healthy. Would you highly recommend a YouTube channel? Oh, currency merchant, nice, bro. I mean, yeah. If anyone wants to learn, yeah, maybe you can go there. What's your job? I work for a basketball league. I do stats. I'd be doing there. I'm like number 11, 3-point shot, offensive rebounds, number 16, dunk by number 18. Type shit. Low-key lit. You know why, Dragon? I think it's because can you dunk? Nah. But I think I will be able to soon. Honestly, I haven't tried in a while. I used to like train to be able to dunk. I'm 5'11". I used to train to be able to dunk. Like really train. Like show us your basketball shoes. Yo, I'll send you a picture if you want. I have a Giannis, I'll just show you. I have Zoom Freak 2s. Zoom Freak 2s. Nah, hold on. They might not be uh no, oh, these ones. They look hella high. Yo, they're not that. They look so weird when they're like baby size. These are okay, like this is a better picture. This is what I wear. Are you a full-time trader? Like I don't make full-time income now. How old are you? I'm 22. That's a lit job. How'd you get it? You need a degree or something? No, I used to always play basketball. How I got into it, I'll tell you. So I used to always play basketball, so that's one. And some basketball league that I used to play for, they ended up asking me to do like stats, right? So that's kind of how I learned how to do stats. And then basically what happened was I went to college. I got a degree separately from this basketball thing, and the college I literally just saw an online post, and it was like the college is looking for a stat keeper for the college basketball games, and I was like, yo, there is no way that I didn't even submit a resume, bro. I dead ass. I showed up to the interview, and I literally told the guy, I was like, bro, I can do this shit, no sweat. Like I play basketball so much. I could do this shit easy, bro. Like it'll be flawless stats. I didn't even have a resume. Everyone else, and then he was like, "All right, bro." He's like, "For real?" And I was like, "Bro, for real, trust." And the guy was super chill because it was his first year. It was his first year. Like it was his first year getting the job. So I told him I was like, "Bro, like I'll make you look good," type shit, like. But then he was like, "All right, bro, bet." He's like, "I'll see if you can do it. Like we'll do well, you can do like a scrimmage, and if you do good, then it's all yours, bro." And then they implemented some other rules. Other people started coming in, but for stats, it's pretty much just me and like two other people who can do it. So you got hella patience. I'm just bored, bro. I'll dunk on you, man. Maybe, bro. If you're a really good dunker and you're really fast, I have pretty good defense though. So like, unless I'm just standing under the rim and you have very crazy hops, I don't know. Shorting at this 1 hour RPG valid. I wouldn't touch. You heard of Brody League? Yeah, I have heard of Brody League. But I heard it's also really good. I wouldn't go to Brody unless I could bring my own 5 or 6 or 7, Like I would want to get proper guys that fuck with soccer. I'm not the best at soccer, bro. Show the highlights. You can message me on Discord if you want. Like I have on my phone. If you were to trade, would you short off the? I mean, if I was to trade, yeah, maybe. Like I wouldn't talk. I wouldn't trade. In fact, I didn't want to really see it come up here till after. Yeah, there's golf here, bro. What are you talking about, man? Come on, bro. It's not fucking desert, bro. There's golf. SMT just got put in. Bull. No golf. Canada got some nice ass golf. See, bro? See? Told you, bro. Y'all call it soccer? If we call it soccer, I think definitely too bullish right now. I just wouldn't trust. I don't know, man. It's not clear. I'd just wait till Trump. I'd just wait till Trump talks. See what happens. It's called AGFX watermark. I did take one trade. We got stopped out on reduced risk. Pretty much just chopped out here. Was aiming for a partial like right around here, and then leave runners, but nothing really happened. Can we expect shorts from now? I don't know, man. I personally wouldn't. You can expect it, sure. It's possible we go lower, but I'm not looking to take any more trades today, honestly. Maybe in the PM session. You're right, Dragon. Yeah, and that's another reason why I'm bullish on the higher time frame. Just the whole idea of Trump coming in. Like, I don't think it's a coincidence that we start to expand just to make things look all good. Where is Trump speaking? No idea, bro. Beautiful except Brampton. Yeah, it's not Brampton anymore, bro. I missed the days it was Brampton. Is there a possibility to pass if funded if I copy trade you? A possibility? I mean, there's a possibility. I will eventually pass. I'll tell you that, bro. But it's up to you, man. I'm on a losing streak right now, so you came at the wrong time. You should have came like last month, bro. USD GPY. This PA is Trump speaking PA. Oh, I think I'm bullish. I don't know. I marked out these lines. How many trade losing streak? It's not clear because like we did technically take some wins. They just weren't full wins. How's my Euro JPY trade going? Pretty good. I think we're up like I guess we're up like 120 pips right now. We were up 200 pips at one point. Yeah, it's not bad. How much did you make last month? I have no idea, bro. Was last month was last month December? Yeah, December was pretty good for me. We were up. I think we were up like 800 last month on the funded, and then we had no eval. So I would look for DBP shorts. In fact, I might even engage with this. It's not bad. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. I actually like that. I actually like that because it touched the 15-minute CISD. I actually like that. Hold on. Hold on. I'm in go on. Damn, telling the truth. Hold on, I'm just hold on. And I'm going to. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Are you a bias for today? I think we can go lower. Yeah, I think we can go lower, man. Okay. Keep trading, bro. I can see you're very knowledgeable. Watch your streams and have learned a lot. Appreciate you, bro. I'm talking Forex pair. What Forex pair, brother? Hope Trump says something good about crypto today. Send my salam blessing to the moon. I hope so, bro. I hope you make $1 billion. Appreciate you guys. Silver bullet setup? No, sideways. Everything sideways, in my opinion. At least we got some expansion outside the range. You know, we finally took out some buy side. Take care, Eugenio. Eugenio. Yeah, man. Every morning session's been like Asia session. What do I think will happen with Trump speaks? I think there's gonna be very large volatility and expansion, and I'm curious, which is why I'm still here. I'm gonna be live. Um, Tanking at 10 a.m. You mean 11? I wouldn't look for any trades. That's very nice. Yeah, you can see the cap. Oh my God! Wait, hold on. Do you guys see what I see? Do you guys see what I see? Do you see what I see? Hold on. Yeah, don't trade while Trump is speaking. If you want to follow my rules, at least. It's most likely going to be very volatile. It will be difficult to find a higher probability trade. Where the hell is the pencil? Where's the pencil, bro? Where's the pencil tool? Oh, ha, ha, ha. Hold on. I can do better. All we need is some consolidation. All we need is some consolidation going this way. Come on. I believe. Yeah, what if we actually traded on it just for the fuck of it, like just to fill in the drawing. Brontosaur. Come on, it's actually pretty good, bro. That was a good drawing, to be honest. I feel you, Chase. That's a Pokemon. Charmander. Well, you can't lie. Like I actually did that pretty nice. Like it's pretty much exactly what. No, don't go too far. No. Okay, we gotta draw some spikes. Boredom at its prime. Just kind of wait until 11, bro. I want to see what happens. I'll bring out my $1 trillion account and manipulate price to fill in that. Why does it have a tongue out? I don't know. I thought it was cool. Imagine some new guy joined. Are you shorting GBP? GBP what? Check Bitcoin. Bullish, man. Bullish on Bitcoin. Oh, we already took all-time highs, so I don't know. I don't know anymore. My bias was higher from the monthly. We took out buy side. I don't know anymore. Maybe a crazy pump when Trump's part speaks, bro. I don't know. I don't know how manipulated that shit can be. GBP USD. Oh, this. It looks really good, but I don't think I'm gonna short it. But I mean, yeah, the weekly fair. I mean, make it even simpler. Daily fair value gap. And then you can drop down, let's say, to the 4 hour. You can see your 4 hour fair value gap there. 4 hour order block. A little bit nicer than the. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. We did leave these equal highs though. Just a little bit red flag, but. These lows look really clean. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe it'll play out. We just keep an eye on it, I guess. Yeah, we took one loss today. Oh my god, wait. Wait, this is a 15-minute chart? Boring. Let's draw some other shit. What does it look like? Where does it look like it'll continue, guys? Yo, should we just scalp the shit out of trend lines just to see for fun? Hold on. Trend line touch, buy. Stop loss, trend line low. This is paper trading, guys. Please don't copy. For those of you who literally just stay here and copy. Wait. I may have got it wrong. This is a trend line breakout. You can see the trend line right here. Just ride, bro. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. Trust it. Okay, this is a trend line breakout. I'm gonna reverse the position. Bro, get me out of the drawing, bro. How do you reverse? Alright, trend line breakout. I'm gonna double down. Obvious trend line breakout. It's so obvious, bro. So obvious. You're obviously gonna. Where do you TP on this strategy, bro? I just full. What choppy P8 does too, man. I'm just waiting till 11, bro. I want to see what happens when Trump speaks. Look at ES, bro. I haven't even looked at the ES chart in so long. Alright, but on a real note, people who trade trend lines, is there anyone here? How the hell do you TP in this strategy? Because I know all you guys be doing is taking the breakout, bro. How do you TP in this strategy? The TP trend line? You have to aim for another trend line? Oh, we're missing something. We're missing something. I forgot, bro. Obviously, bro. It's so obvious. So obvious what I was missing. 21 EMA. No, it's too little. 50. Yeah, bro. Obviously, your TP should be here. Alright, we retested the trend line. So we can actually add another position. Obviously, we're not going to touch the trend line high. So we'll just put our stop loss there. And then, yeah, we TP at the 50 MA or the previous trend line, which is right here. So if you extend it, we should TP at the trend line at 1059. So 1059, you go to 1059, and then you see this is 1059 right here. So you put your TP right there, bro. Trust. Make sure you anchor this properly. Hold on, let's make sure we did this correctly. Let's be very precise with our trend line. Okay, so yeah, go to 1059 because wait, why is it 1059 again? I don't know. So we're just retesting, guys. We're just retesting the old trend line. Wait, if you extend these lines long enough, they'll intersect. Hold on. This is what you do for a living? No, this is not what I do. Please don't take anything I said seriously. I'm just bored waiting till Trump can start speaking at 11 so I can see what happens. I think we partial at the trend line low. Can you chart Rivian? I used to own Rivian. I don't like that. I don't really like Rivian. Support resistance is better. All right, fine. We'll switch strategies. I'll go to my second strategy. Okay, obvious. This one's obvious. You guys should all see this. Freaking resistance. And we have support here. And we have support here. I just want to see what happens at 11 Koala. Then I'm gonna end stream. I'll be back testing the majority of today. So support here. So I'm gonna wait for a retest. Just wait for a retest. This is paper trading, yes. Show me the trade, Koala. Just waiting for the retest. So because there's two, you buy two. Oh, okay, we got it right there. So obviously, it's demand. TP at the old resistance. Stop loss at the demand CE. What do you guys think? W? All of you? W? Yeah, I'll join gems. I can join gems whenever, to be honest. Not bad, Paula. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's just demand. Listen, every time it touches demand, you can buy it because it just means there's more demand, bro. Or supply. Sorry, supply. Supply. Buying pressure is going crazy right now. Oh, Koala, I don't think anything big's gonna happen at 11. I think the market will just start being volatile. It's flat trend line. No, bro, it's supply and demand. Get it right. It's not like there's gonna be a big ass candle. I mean, there might be. I don't know. Probably not though. If it explodes at 11, that's how you know the market's manipulated, bro. If the market just explodes at 11, that's so fake because it's not like he's gonna say anything important right at 11, bro. He literally starts speaking at 11. Long? This is paper trading, guys. Let me find out you got a better win rate with SNR. True, bro. It's gonna be 100% win rate. I mean, I think it's hard to beat that if this plays out. It's literally 100%. We never lost. So, yeah. I'm throwing the Discord call here. What's up, guys?
Yo.
So, are you still streaming?
Yeah, I'm still live. Don't say anything crazy.
They could hear us?
They can hear you, bro.
Bro, what a
I
whole
was
thing,
gonna
bro.
I was gonna put in a trade, but I don't want to break my rules.
That's good, bro. Don't break your rules.
Let's see what happens with Koala.
Paulo, explain the trade.
I got like stopped off.
Explain the trade. Explain the trade for the stream, bro. Everyone's watching, bro. What made you take this?
Oh, it's kind of, I don't know, bro. Like,
Don't get shy, bro. Explain the trade, bro.
wait, let me see where I entered. If I can hear. I would just enter off this inversion, bro. We took out the sell side with the macro inversion. I was anticipating the breaker and to take out those highs here, right here.
Wait. Say it again.
What?
Say it again.
So with the inversion here, we took out this low with the macro, and I was expecting this side to get taken, and I wasn't expecting this low to get taken.
So where was your original stop? Second candle inversion low, like we said?
My original was this.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did you move it when it got close?
I don't know. I don't
What do you mean
think
you
so.
don't know? You don't think so?
No, I didn't move it.
You're right, Chooch. So you took. When did you enter? What candle? It's like you got in. Oh, that candle's closed.
This one, yeah. When it closed like here, I entered.
Yeah. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. I guess. What are you aiming for?
London highs.
Okay. It's not bad, bro. It's not bad.
Yeah. I got stopped out before though. Like 4 times.
4 times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna see it?
Sure, bro.
What's Trump
Let me share it.
You journaled all of them?
Yeah.
Nice,
This is the
bro.
one right now, I think. Wait.
It might be entry number
Yeah.
5, bro. It better be your last one.
This is the one we're in right now.
At least you managed the
stopped 3
risk
times.
somewhat good. Sure, bro. All shorts or what?
No, all longs.
Bro, you took a trade 940 to 940, bro?
Wait, what?
You got stopped on the same minute?
I forgot the.
Oh.
Wait, you can see it. You can see it. This one.
Yeah, I mean, it's seeking destroy.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to buy more demand.
Bro, what is Trump doing? Like, speak, bro.
Are you watching the stream?
Yes. Me?
Bro, no way the support worked.
What are you doing? Support and resistance? Resistance?
Yeah, look.
Oh shit. Bro, wait, is that on a funded or something?
Nah, paper.
Oh. Do you think I want to hit TP?
Yeah. Probably more than TP. Where can I watch him speak? I don't know. Let's find out.
What I aim for? -4?
Your standard deviations are wrong. Guys,
you could watch
100% win rate with my support and resistance strategy. Don't say I didn't say it. I called it live. Buy my course.
Koala, if you want to aim for higher, just
100% win rate, bro.
Bro, should I just aim for like all-time highs?
Alright, I'm gonna definitely same trade, but I got turn on label. What's the journaling app he used? He was using Notion. Where can I watch him speak? I don't know, but this shit looks like it's gonna go up and not look back. I guess just because Trump is coming in, I guess it's gonna just go. You know, just gonna go. You can probably see it. Trump speech, Trump live. It's probably gonna go higher than TP, but yeah, it's a good TP, bro. Definitely nothing wrong with that TP. Oh yeah, this would be your standard deviations. Nice, yeah. A really nice deviation. Midnight opening price is also not bad, but Just TP for 42K. Nice, nice. Calm little thing. Guess we waited all this time. Not much really happened. I'm very surprised we didn't take out this low. But we'll see. We shall see. Diss me by 5 ticks. You should be good, bro. I mean, don't let the 1 minute fluctuate you. Like London highs is easy objective. That is, bro. Yeah, you don't want to manifest anything that's there. Trump starting now. Should I stay on live? We took one trade. Some dude just walked out. DQ. I don't know that language, bro. Stay live. Live U.S. President Donald Trump addresses Davos. All right, let's put on the Trump stream. Yeah, you definitely broke rules, Koala, but it's okay, I guess. I mean, not really, but it's okay. But not really.
At Fidelity, we know that everyone's got financial goals, and they're all
I
different.
took one loss on a reduced stop loss.
The one thing we share,
1 hour.
we all want to
took a
get
short
there
here.
sooner.
I entered short on this candle, or sorry, 10 a.m. candle.
Gentlemen, let's
press the pause button because the president's here now.
approaching.
Yeah, I don't have YouTube Premium, bro. My bad. I can make a video on my updated charts, yeah. Oh shit. Am I gonna get banned? Wait, am I allowed to do this? Guys, I don't think I'm allowed to do this.
And your forthcoming policies have been at the focus
You
of
are?
our discussions this week. The discussions among
I bet.
3,000 political and business leaders from over 130 countries.
Here, if you want to watch the live, there's a link.
together here in Davos. We look forward
Come on, bro. Get it going, man.
and send to the follow-up
Did the market actually increase volatility? Nah. Yeah, I took one loss today. Reduced stop loss here. We got stopped out here.
the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump.
Woo! Sorry, I'm joking.
Well, thank you very much, Klaus, and hello.
God damn, what is this quality, bro?
Davos,
Who the hell's live streaming this, bro? Samsung or ass camera, bro.
the United States. 3 days ago, I took the oath of office, and we began the golden age of America. The recent presidential election was won by millions of votes, and every one of them, all 7 swing states. It was a massive mandate from the American people, like hasn't been seen in many years. And some of the political pundits, even some of my so-called enemies, said it was the most consequential election victory in 129 years. That's quite nice. What the world has witnessed in the past 72 hours is nothing less than a revolution of common sense. Our country will soon be stronger, wealthier, and more united than ever before, and the entire planet will be more peaceful and prosperous as a result of this incredible momentum and what we're doing and going to do. My administration is acting with unprecedented speed to fix the disasters we've inherited from a totally inept group of people and to solve every single crisis facing our country. This begins with confronting the economic chaos caused by the failed policies of the last administration. Over the past 4 years, our government racked up $8 trillion in wasteful deficit spending and inflicted nation-wrecking energy restrictions, crippling regulations, and hidden taxes like never before. The result is the worst inflation crisis in modern history and sky-high interest rates for our citizens and even throughout the world. Food prices and the price of almost every other thing known to mankind went through the roof. President Biden totally lost control of what was going on in our country, but in particular with our high inflation economy and at our border. Because of these ruinous policies, total government spending this year is $1.5 trillion higher than was projected to occur when I left office just 4 years ago. Likewise, the cost of servicing
Bro, this is so AI. Like, he's talking like a fucking robot,
the
bro.
debt is more than 230% higher than was projected in 2020. The inflation rate we are inheriting remains 50% higher than the historic target. It was the highest inflation probably in the history of our country. That's why from the moment I took office, I've taken rapid action to reverse each and every one of these radical left policies that created this calamity, in particular with immigration, crime, and inflation. On day one, I signed an executive order directing every member of my cabinet to marshal all powers at their disposal to defeat inflation and reduce the cost of daily life. I imposed a federal hiring freeze, a federal regulation freeze, a foreign aid freeze, and I created the new Department of Government Efficiency.
That's done
I
bare shit
terminated
already.
the ridiculous and incredibly wasteful Green New Deal. I call it the Green New Scam. Withdrew from the one-sided Paris Climate Accord and ended the insane and costly electric vehicle mandate. We're going to let people buy the car they want to buy. I declared a national energy emergency, and that's so important, national energy emergency to unlock
Guys
the
done bare
liquid gold
shit, bro. It's
under
been
our
one day,
feet
no?
and pave the way for rapid approvals of new energy infrastructure.
Is he
The
reading
United
something,
States
bro?
has the largest amount of oil and gas of any country on earth, and we're going to use it. Not only will this reduce the cost of virtually all goods and services, it'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and
He
crypto.
signed everything on his desk. Yeah, I
My
saw that.
administration has also begun the largest deregulation campaign in history, far exceeding even the record-setting efforts of my
Like, bro, it's good that he's doing shit, but like, bro, I don't think for a second, bro, like that he couldn't be just fucking shit up too, you know? Like, how much do we really know, bro? Like, I
efforts
don't
of
know. He
my
could be fucking
last
shit up, bro.
term. In total, the Biden administration imposed $50,000
not
in
it.
additional regulatory costs on the average American household over the last 4 years. I have promised
see,
to
Quad, I see.
eliminate 10 old regulations for every new regulation, which will soon put many thousands of dollars back in the pockets of American families. To further unleash our economy, our majorities
happens
in
when
the House
people
and
speak.
Senate, which we also took
This is what
along with
happens
the
when people
presidency,
speak.
are going to pass the largest tax cut
This is why I'm
in
not
American
trading. This is why I'm not trading this. This is what happens when any Fed speaks. This is what happens. You get very volatile market. Literally everything I said, bro. Ranging market and then very volatile. Yeah, you have to remember this for next time.
history, including paper.
Bro, say
My
something
message
interesting.
to every business in the world is
Hiring
very simple.
freeze
Come
and
make your
foreign aid
product
freeze.
in America, and we will give you among the lowest taxes of any nation.
It's not buying and selling pressure, bro. Shit hella
On Earth.
manipulated, bro.
We're bringing them down very substantially, even from the original Trump tax cuts. But if you don't make your product in America, which is your prerogative, then very
why you don't
simply
trade
you
it.
will have to pay a tariff, differing amounts, but a tariff which will direct hundreds of billions of dollars and even trillions of dollars into our treasury to strengthen our economy and pay down debt. Under the Trump administration, there will be no better place on earth to create jobs, build factories, or grow
Capital
a
of
company
AI and
than
crypto.
right here in the good old USA. Already Americans' economic, you can see this, I think, maybe even in your
Literally started
wonderful,
pumping at 11,
wonderful
bro.
room that you're all gathered together. So many of my friends, but Americans, the economic confidence is soaring like
It went up
we haven't
$1,000,
seen in many,
$1,500
many
since he started
decades,
talking,
maybe
bro.
not at all. Upon my election, it was just announced that small business optimism skyrocketed by 41 points in a single month. That's the highest ever. There's never been anything like that. SoftBank has announced between a 100 and 200 billion dollar investment in the U.S. economy because of the election result. And just 2 days ago, Oracle, SoftBank, and OpenAI announced a $500 billion investment in AI infrastructure. Other companies likewise have announced billions and billions and billions, adding up to trillions of investment in America, in the United States. And it's also reported today in the papers that Saudi Arabia will be investing at least $600 billion in America. But I'll be asking the Crown Prince, who's a fantastic guy, to round it out to around $1 trillion. I think they'll do that because we've been very good to them. And I'm also going to ask Saudi Arabia and OPEC to bring down the cost of oil. You got to bring it down, which, frankly, I'm surprised they didn't do before the election. That didn't show a lot of love by them not doing it. I was a little surprised by that. If the price came down, the Russia-Ukraine war would end immediately. Right now, the price is high enough that that war will continue. You got to bring down the oil price. You got to end that war. They should have done it long ago. They're very responsible, actually, to a certain extent, for what's taking place. Millions of lives are being lost. With oil prices going down, I'll demand that interest rates drop immediately, and likewise, they should be dropping all over the world. Interest rates should follow us. All over, the progress that you're seeing is happening because of our historic victory in a recent presidential election, one that has become quite well known throughout the world. I think a lot of things are happening to a lot of countries. They say that there's light shining all over the world since the election, and even countries that we aren't particularly friendly with are happy because they understand what there is a future and how great the future will be under our leadership. America is back and open for business. And this week, I'm also taking swift action to stop the invasion at our southern border. They allowed people to come in at levels that nobody's ever seen before. It was ridiculous. I decided and declared to do,
not a bad idea.
And very, very importantly, a national emergency on our border immediately halted all entry of illegal border crossers, of which there were many, and began promptly returning the illegal trespassers back to the place from which they came. That action, as you've probably seen, has already started very strongly. I've deployed active duty U.S. military and National Guard troops to the border to assist in repelling the invasion. It was really an invasion. We will not allow our territory to be violated. After 4 long years, the United States is strong and sovereign and a beautiful nation once again. It's a strong, sovereign nation. In addition, I'm pleased to report that America is also a free nation once again. On day one, I signed an executive order to stop all government censorship. No longer will our government label the speech of our own citizens as misinformation or disinformation, which are the favorite words of censors and those who wish to stop the free exchange of ideas and, frankly, progress. We have saved free speech in America, and we've saved it strongly. With another historic executive order this week, I also ended the weaponization of law enforcement against the American people and, frankly, against politicians, and restored the fair, equal, and impartial rule of law. My administration has taken action to abolish all discriminatory diversity, equity, and inclusion nonsense. And these are policies that were absolute nonsense throughout the government and the private sector. With the recent yet somewhat unexpected great Supreme Court decision just made, America will once again become a merit-based country. You have to hear that word, merit-based country. And I've made it official, an official policy of the United States,
I guess it went up 3K.
that there are only 2 genders, male and female. And we will have no men participating in women's sports, and transgender operations, which became the rage, will occur very rarely. Finally, as we restore common sense in America, we're moving quickly to bring back strength and peace and stability abroad. I'm also going to ask all NATO nations to increase defense spending to 5% of GDP, which is what it should have been years ago. It was only at 2%, and most nations didn't pay until I came along. I insisted that they pay, and they did. because the United States was really paying the difference at that time, and it was unfair to the United States. But many, many things have been unfair for many years to the United States. Before even taking office, my team negotiated a ceasefire agreement in the Middle East, which wouldn't have happened without us, as I think most of the people in the room know. Earlier this week, the hostages began to return to their families. They are returning, and it's a beautiful sight, and they'll be coming in more and more. They started coming back on Sunday. Our efforts to secure a peace settlement between Russia and Ukraine are now hopefully underway. It's so important to get that done. That is an absolute killing field. Millions of soldiers are being killed. Nobody's seen anything like it since World War II. They're laying dead all over the flat fields. It's a flat field.
Like, you should just chill your stop at your TP pretty much at that happens,
Russians,
you know?
and millions of Ukrainians.
Don't read it for 5 ticks.
Like it since World War II. It's time to end it. And here in America, we have big events coming up. Next year, we have the 250th anniversary of America's founding. I'm so honored to be president during that.
Just end this, guys.
Big event. They've been talking about it for 10 years. We also have the World Cup. And I understand Gianni's in the room. Infantino, he was very instrumental in helping us get it. He's there with you someplace, I think.
Wait for him to leave.
And I want to thank him for that. And then we have the Olympics coming up, which I was instrumental in getting also in my first term. And who would have known that by skipping a term, I would get the Olympics? I was upset. I said, you know, I got the Olympics to come and I won't be president. But it turned out through a stroke of luck, or whatever you might call it, that I'm going to be president during the World Cup and the Olympics.
He's freestyling, bro. He's freestyling now.
250th
How to handle losing streaks?
So
just join the club.
Be 3 big events.
Gatie Losing Streak Club.
And we've accomplished more in less than 4
members,
days. We have really been working 4 days.
Yo, listen. Who here wants to join the Losing Streak Club? Is it just me? And I guess Sarvan too? Anyone else? Is Solana dumping now? Well, that shit is so manipulated, bro. See how manipulated and volatile it is? Me. Okay, we got some other people. All right. Welcome to the team. It's all good, boys. Because listen, you know what comes after losing? Winning. Turn the robot back on. My bad, bro.
But I do appreciate. I heard the audience is fantastic, and many of my friends are in the audience, and I will be taking questions now from some very distinguished people. Thank you all very much.
Oh, he's done. What the hell was that? This guy.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, for that very powerful speech.
Who's that? Wait, that's it?
Of tracking the global power shifts at the World Economic.
That's done. Haven't won a trade in like 2 weeks. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Team Losing Streak. It definitely sucks being here, but as team captain, I just want to say, don't lose hope. Trust in your model, and we will be great again. Type shit. I had very good trades, so I passed my evals. Sex guy's caught. Don't lose hope. I got 2 trades left before I blow my account. Welcome. Tush, what do you think, bro? We just send it 1 trade? We just send it in 1 trade and get new accounts, bro? I'm not about to risk proper risk management until I pass this eval. Like, I really don't care. Well, mine's an eval, so don't full pour your funded. Never give up on a funded. You never know. But eval is a different story. Team W streak, what are you saying? Oh shit, we got Team W streak. Bro, Team L streak wins over Team W streak every time, bro. I wish I had a funded 1 trade. Have you ever been funded, Chooch? You're not too retarded, bro. You can do it, man. Trust me, you can do it. Everyone in this chat can do it. Full court shorts. Down 1,600. Should I take 1 more trade? Is it an eval? Listen, in my opinion, like, if you have an eval, like, look, my eval has $612 left. You really think I'm going to sit here and risk 3 trades? It's an eval, bro. I don't care that much about this eval. I have the luxury of buying more. So, we send it. We just send it. you know? Ain't nobody got time for that, bro. Longest inversion. Yeah, I can look at oil. What is it? B-Coast? Brent crude oil? Damn. Damn, son. Where'd you... Okay. Little bit conflicting because if you fail eval, you lose money. Like, you buy the eval, and if you lose it, you lose it. You ever use Owanda? I have used Owanda before. It's not bad, actually. It's not bad. I used to trade stocks off the trendline trader. Yeah, see, you're making progress already, bro. My opinion on this, we've already taken out the buy side. Probably look for some shorts, man. Speech is over, yeah. I don't think he's talking anymore. He walked away. So, top 3 best day trading stocks? Bro, what the hell is that question, bro? I don't know. Nothing happened. And we just got some volatility. Yeah, man, honestly, I think after taking the buy stops, we've been pretty bearish. I like this. 4-hour equal lows. It's not the cleanest chart, bro, if I'm gonna be honest with you, for me. I don't wanna, like, give my opinion. My opinion is not that clear. My opinion is not very clear. What happened with your trade what happened with your trade you were in last? The support and resistance one, or the actual one from like 950? Check gold. Yeah, man, gold looks bullish from the daily. That's what I'm trying to say. I said I'd wait for longs, wait for the CISD. Which pair are you looking? Check your Forex swing trade. I've gotten 3 payouts from Top Step. JPY. Big move down. But my stops are pretty much covered, so not too worried. Not too worried. I might trade PM. If I do, it'll be with my students, though. So we're dumping. Yeah, it looks like everything's going down. How's Nvidia? This one I'm more. Hold on, I should be looking. Apple's still up. Nvidia's down. AMD a little bit down. Yeah, no stocks to buy here, though. No stocks to really buy here. Yeah, let's put that there. Yeah, it's nothing much today, man. Just another chill day. What platform do you recommend? Top Step X is my favorite, personally. It's about to hit TP or SL. Go Koala, go Koala, go Koala, go Koala. I would just TP it here, Koala, to be honest, bro. But whatever. Rules for Top Step, just I think they all have good price action, bro. I don't think there's any. Just whichever one looks clear at the time will probably be the ones that's best. I would use Owanda. Owanda's commissions aren't too bad. Which pairs am I looking at? GBP USD. I'm already in Euro JPPY. Longs, Jim's going good, bro. Jim is going pretty good. I can't complain. You're not even aiming for London highs anymore, bro? You lowered your TP? I think volatility will hit your TP. Even if it doesn't continue higher, I just think the volatility in it will. Like, probably going to be a big candle, in my opinion. There's too many highs here. Get a big candle through. We probably go to Asia highs. Let's see, though, what happens. Alright, GG's. Where's the Drake candle? It's going to come now that Quala closes position. Now that Quala's closed, you got scared? It's not scared, bro. It's a smart move. Don't risk it for fucking 1 point, bro. Take care, Chooch. What time do you trade PM? PM session starts at 1:30, so. Ready? Give it a second. Give it a second. Thing is, Dragon, I do PM streams with my students. With mostly. I can't imagine the amount of stress Kwame went through in this PA. For real. Nice push. Does it keep going? What time do you trade PM? Yeah, 1:30. You did not know that? Yeah, like if I do trade PM, it'll mostly be with my students. Did ICT play out for you today? What does that mean? Did ICT play out for me? ICT is a person. I don't understand. But I don't do it often, Dragon. I don't like spending that much time on the charts. What's this? Oh, we're getting the hourly CISD. Yeah, man, gold is freaking bullish. Top step is one step. All futures ones are pretty much one step. I was trying to generalize, but did anything play out for you today? Nope. Not the expansion higher I was expecting. But I mean, I still think midnight open. I still think Asia highs. I mean, we didn't really get the sell side of the day. Do you swing trade? I swing trade Forex. That was the trade I took. $4% to make 6%. That's a really good way of looking at it. Give us the chart colors. All right. Yeah, midnight open, Asia. Yeah, there's the expansion. I think it's forming now. Sure. So the candles, this is the last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go make my second breakfast. The second gray, all Forex pairs will do. I will literally trade, name the pair. If it looks clean, I'll trade it. I don't have any restrictions. The second gray, the last one, the fifth gray. So from the left, fifth. So second, fifth, everything else black. Second, fifth, everything else black. And then if you go to canvas, my canvas is E9, E9, E9. For me, just the perfect tint of gray. That's all. Koala, if you don't sit here and stare at it. Oh, looks like that's done. Don't sit here and stare at it. Just come back after and see how far it goes above or if it goes below. Well, I think that'll be it for me. We will set up the charts for tomorrow. I think this level will get reached. I didn't want to see it get reached today, but it looks like it will. Okay, Koala, chill, buddy. On a real note, though, Koala, do actually post your trades and your journal. Inspire. Why am I typing daily gems? Daily equal highs. About to get S&T at previous day high. NQ, ES, MNQ. Just gonna set up the charts for tomorrow. The trade that Quala took. Yeah, he took. Yeah, I can go over the trade. Yeah, I don't even put any other charts. The trade that Quala took was this. He wanted the long, so he aligned with higher time frame bias, which was good. We're bullish. I mean, I hope most of my students are bullish. We've been talking about higher prices all week. So he didn't really. I don't know what he did before, but I'm guessing the trades that he took was like this sell side sweep was enough for him for longs. For me, it wasn't enough, but for him, it's still a lot of subjectivity. So we took out sell side. You can't say that we didn't. We definitely took out a level of sell side. And then that's it. We get the expansion. Ideally, you waiting for a macro. So he took the inversion in the macro. So using the premise of time, this inversion, waited for it to inverse. The rules that I follow is you have to cover the candle that inversed. So in that case, it would be this one. And the second candle of the fair value gap, which would be this one. So his stop was there, and you see it did not get stopped out. His TP was at London highs. If I was in the long, I mean, if I was holding it, I would have probably looked for Asia, partial at London, and then look for midnight opening and Asia, or look for ES to take previous day high. If ES takes previous day high, just close. Yeah, so previous day high is right here on ES, so keep that in mind. We'll probably reach for that. But yeah, that's pretty much the idea. I mean, I wouldn't have taken it in this time, but just inversion. And you get your standard deviations here, so you're ideally looking for something there. Stop loss part again. Yeah, so when you're taking an inversion, my rules, stop loss needs to cover the candle that inversed and the second candle of the fair value gap. So now if you want to be very safe, it's this candle, because 1, 2, 3, this is the low. But I like to just put it there. Ideally, it doesn't trade back to the low of the inversion. So sloppy delivery here, but you can see the body's respecting. So stop loss needs to cover this candle. But I wouldn't even outline that. Like, I think that's a little bit reading too much, because Trump is speaking. This is all distortion. So I'm just going to journal this for the group. Wouldn't want to use this because the wick is so extreme. I'll just use this. On the 15, nothing too crazy, just the 15-minute fair value gap. You have 8 highs. Very weird low of day here. Usually that gets taken, but I would have scared. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that trade. Pia Dookie. It was definitely Dookie. Yeah, so I'm just finishing up the journal here, and then I'll be heading out. Probably take some more food and then start backtesting. So I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll be live again tomorrow. I will see you guys then. 10:20. ICT wouldn't trade on this day, so I don't know. There isn't really any algorithmic signatures here, in my opinion. Like, yeah, you could argue this is 2022 model. It's not. It's really not that clean though. It's all distortion until 11, and then you can see 11 comes. We take out sell side. Get the move higher. Take care, brother. I blew my prop firm challenges, went to mute coins, and I'm up 5 bands in a week. About to put it back into prop firms. Nice, bro. I hope you can get those prop firm challenges passed, brother. Good luck, my man. Take care, brother. See you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace, peace.